Hi guys, welcome to my channel PC Tips Pro. Please do subscribe my channel for the more tech videos, and you can also go to my blogging website, which is www.pctipspro.com, to read more tech articles. So in this video tutorial today I'm going to discuss how to change or how to set Google Chrome as a default browser. So in these, suppose if you are going to buy a new computer, so in these days Windows 10 coming up, Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So most of the people don't like, or they don't want to use Microsoft Edge. They prefer using Google Chrome browser. So let's proceed further. To change your default browser as a Google Chrome, first of all, click on this Windows icon at the left bottom corner, then click on the gear icon, which is the setting. So, and once you will click on that, there are the lots of the options will come up here in the Windows setting. So click on the option which says apps, and once you click on apps option, it will give you a new window here. You can see apps and features and default apps and everything. So click on the option which says default apps. So once you click on default apps, it will show you all the list of the default program which is set in your computer. Now you can scroll down, you can see the web browser, it's default coming up as a Microsoft Edge. So click on the option which says Microsoft Edge, then you will get the list of all the browser which is installed in your computer. First of all, make sure guys, if you want to set Google Chrome as a default browser, you will have to install Google Chrome browser first in your operating system. You can see these are the list of the browsers I have been using in my system: Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Vivaldi. So I'm going to set Google Chrome as a default browser. So I'm going to click on that, and that's it. Once you click on the Google Chrome, it will set by default. There will be no any other changes need to be done. So let me just close this one. So the next time if I search for anything on search bar or everywhere, Google Chrome will come up as a default. So let me go on the google.com. So you can see it's opening up with my default browser, which is Google Chrome. So that's the way guys you can change your default browser, or you can set Google Chrome as a default browser. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for more coming tech videos. Thank you.